Alright, so here's the beast. She is a 2005 F350. Did a 10 lug conversion. Today we're doing the steering stabilizer setup. I did have to do an 6-inch lift. So the stock stabilizer does not work on it. So I bought that kit. That's about the only one I could find that would fit this. So this is all custom. They don't actually make a lift for this truck. I had to steal it off an excursion to make it work right. Also had to get different drop brackets for the sway bar. But for now, we're doing this. The sway bar brackets aren't in yet. They'll be here hopefully at the end of the week. So this has duals. It's from Fab Tech. Comes with the brackets you need. That one goes on the steering arm. All the hardware. Let's see how it goes. All right, so this is the underneath. You can see it's I-beam. I believe that bracket goes here and the other one goes over there. That's just dirt, so I'm gonna check to see if those holes are there. They should be. We'll see. Alrighty, so I scraped that off just to see. On this frame, the 05 F350 dually frame, there is no holes. I believe it goes onto here. We're gonna measure it, see exactly where it sits at. But obviously that goes there, attaches to the steering arm. Bracket's pretty damn solid. That shit ain't going nowhere. So now I'm gonna try to line up the other bracket, which is this one. Measure it with the shocks on there. Of course, center your wheels and then you'll know where to mount it. I'm gonna try to get an exact location, but make sure you guys measure it on your truck if you're putting it on. All right, here we go. Okay, so what I did was I opened this halfway, so you can see, and I mounted it, marked it, drilled that hole out because this frame did not have the holes. I'm not sure, some of them do, but this one did not. And drilled it out. This one I haven't drilled it out yet. I wanted to test it. So as you can see, I have it installed, and I'm gonna turn the wheel a couple times to make sure it's all good. And then if it's good, I'll re-drill that hole. I'll drill that hole out, and then tighten everything up, and we should be good. I think it's gonna be all right. Alright, so we got it all installed. It's a pretty good kit actually, except for having to drill these two holes. That shit sucks, but like I said, on your frame, the holes might be there. This truck is not designed to have a lift kit on it, so it works and it's good. And this is again a 6-inch lift for a 2-wheel drive. This is my tow truck, so I don't really care about 4-wheel drive. I got my 4-wheel drive truck over there. So this is perfect. I'm still waiting for the sway bar drop. That should be here soon. Cool. I'm gonna turn it on real quick, test it, and go from there.